Buffalo at Yamava. Lightning Link. Started with 300, just got the bonus. Got an $80 ball and a $60 ball and a mini for 40. Hey, another $80 ball. $4.02 to nom. Pretty nice set of balls. Just need to find one more to keep me alive right now. Alright, we're alive. One more to stay alive. Didn't get it, but we'll take it. Pretty good bonus. Looks like we're up a couple $100. Alright. Went down from the high water mark, but I just got the coin bonus. Hopefully we can get back over it. Again, the buy-in was 300. Need some coins. One more coin. Yes. That helps. Coin. 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 Tens times 3. Coins. Need some money here. Coin. Coin. Oh man. Last one. Looks like a $12 bonus. Didn't get us back to the buy-in. $18. Alright, same machine. I just got the free feature and I think I triggered it about 950. Buy-in is 300 still. It's wearing me down. I'm trying real hard to get the free feature. Let's make some money back. Let's get some big balls. Alright. A couple $8 balls. $4 balls. Ooh, a $40 ball. That's gonna help. $8 ball. I'd like to see one of these bad boys pop up. Saw the miner go by. That would be 200. That would be helpful. Couple $8 balls. There could be something good coming here. $40 ball. Miner went by. Ooh, a $20 ball. Shaping up, shaping up. 5 spots. All the major went by. Major's 574. Last chance. Oh, mini for 40 on the save. All right, I think we might be getting back to the 300 buy-in. Find something bigger. $12 ball. All right. Come on, Buffalo. Last chance again. Save it. Ah. All right, let's count it up. See if we got to the buy-in. All right, made it over the buy-in. Love it. Total $394.24. Profit of $94.24. Thanks for watching.